Today, we're diving into the top questions about residential roof repairs. Straight from the mouths of our innovative roofing experts, we're bringing you the answers you need to ensure your home stays safe and dry. How do I know if my roof needs repair? We often hear this question, and the answer isn't always straightforward. Signs of damage, such as cracked tiles or missing shingles, leaks, or sagging areas, are obvious indicators that your roof needs attention. However, regular inspections by a professional team are crucial for catching issues early, before they escalate. Can I DIY roof repairs? While it might be tempting to grab a ladder and attempt repairs yourself, our experts advise against it. Roofing can be dangerous, and without the proper training and equipment, you could end up causing more harm than good. It's best to leave it to professionals who have the expertise to get the job done safely and effectively. How much will roof repairs cost? The million-dollar question. The cost of roof repairs varies depending on factors such as the extent of the damage, the materials needed, and the contractor's rates. But more importantly than a number, it's essential to ensure that you're dealing with a reputable roofing company that provides transparent pricing. How long will roof repairs take? The timeline for roof repairs depends on the complexity of the job. Minor repairs can often be completed in a day or two, while more extensive projects may take longer. Factors such as weather conditions and material availability can also impact the timeline, so it's essential to discuss expectations with your contractor up front. How often should I have my roof inspected and repaired? Our roofing experts recommend having your roof inspected at least once a year, preferably in the spring or fall. The best time to protect your roof is now. Contact us for a free quote. These inspections can catch small issues before they become major problems, potentially saving you money in the long run. As for repairs, they should be addressed promptly whenever damage is detected during an inspection or after severe weather events. What are some common causes of roof damage? Roof damage can occur due to various factors, but some of the most common causes include harsh weather conditions such as heavy rain, strong winds, hailstorms, or hurricanes. Additionally, age-related wear and tear, poor installation, and lack of maintenance can all contribute to roof damage over time. And now, on to our final question. What are some preventive measures I can take to avoid roof damage? There are several preventive measures you can take to protect your roof from damage. Keeping trees trimmed away from your roof and cleaning out gutters regularly are essential steps. Additionally, scheduling routine maintenance and inspections with a professional roofing contractor can help identify and address potential issues before they become problematic. And those were our top questions answered by innovative roofing experts. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert advice on roof maintenance and safety. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.